Hi guys, I'm out here checking on the daylily transplants that we did about 4 weeks ago. I just wanted to show you a few things that we talked about. Some of those clumps divided really easily. I was just pulling them apart and they were just coming apart in their own little individual clumps, which made it really easy. But some of them I noticed, the larger varieties, the older varieties, they grow in a more dense clump and you have to cut those apart. And I just wanted to show you the knife that I use. This is a kitchen bread knife, but they also sell these for gardening purposes in garden centers, and but you can definitely use whatever you have on hand. But I had to cut those, saw those in half into smaller clumps, but they're looking really good. I'm pretty pleased. I have way more than I need, so I'm going to be giving a lot of these away. But I just wanted to show you how they did. They're going to look kind of raggedy for several weeks. They're going to have some dead leaves, and that's normal. You can expect that. But what you do want to see in the weeks following is some new growth coming out, and that's what we have here. If you transplant it correctly up to that soil line, they're going to rebound and they're going to come back out of it. So let's check the root ball here. I have some dirt falling out, so that means that it's not quite ready, but I just want to see how the roots are forming. Yeah, and it looks like we have some new roots, which is exactly what you want to see. We have some of those new feeder roots forming, so that's a good sign that things are coming along really nicely. So we're going to give this one some more time, put some more dirt back in that, let it set up a little bit better, and that way it has a better chance of surviving in your landscape, and also for sharing with friends in the garden. With the LSU Ag Center, I'm Marcy Matthews. Thank you for watching.